Right guys, start of race 2 coming up, and it's reverse grid. And unfortunately, when they've reversed the grid, they've also put the Mito in front of everybody else. So we've got one Mito on pole, miles ahead of everybody else, and it's going to be carnage down into turn 1, absolute carnage. We've got John in front of us, who in the white car, who is quite feisty anyway. He's not going to let me pass basically, and this guy on the right, Luke, crashed from the last one. Don't know what he's like. I think he's all right, but you know, obviously I'm not going to trust him just to throw a move in. But my best chance of winning this is definitely to get ahead of these two and the Mito, obviously, and build a bit of a gap before Francisco and Ben get through. So let's see what happens, shall we? That's going to be the aim, but after the first corner, anything could happen. Oh, John just full started, so that's not great from him. Francisco's already up the inside. That was an awful start. I don't know what happened there, and he just moved right in front of me. So that's Francisco out the picture then. Whoa, there's no shadow. Right, okay. I normally brake at the shadow, but there's no shadow. So that, yeah, was that was my fault. You know, let's not beat around the bush here. That was definitely my bad, but I kind of lost my braking point. I don't know what I'm going to do next lap either, because again, I've got absolutely no reference now. So yeah, didn't think about that. I've got the race winner Ben behind me now. We were about the same kind of pace before, so hopefully if my car's not too badly damaged, I might better keep him behind. But I've just slid. Oh, I don't think there's as much grip on this track as there was on the other track. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I've still got the bridge, so I think I'll be okay. Right, come on. Settle down, settle down. Right, Francisco's behind me now, so I don't think the first lap thing was my fault, particularly because he did kind of just move across me, so. But he might not see it like that, so we will see. Just don't have the grip. Do not have the grip. Do not have the grip. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, my God. Okay, this is just a disaster, man. My car's all torn up as well. Maybe my car was torn up. Maybe that's why I didn't, I don't know. What the hell's going on here? This ain't good, is it? I might still beat the Mito. Who knows? I might beat the Mito. We'll have to see. And this is obviously the long race as well, so great. Yeah. So I'm not really feeling on the ball today, and I think this is kind of showing at the minute. So one of those things. Again, just what is going on with that corner? Oh, I just need to brake earlier, don't I? I just need to brake way earlier and go through it much slower, really. But absolute carnage anyway, all caused by me. So, what are you going to do about it, eh? What are you going to do? Kind of relying on other people making a lot of mistakes now, to be honest, because I'm a long way behind. Oh dear. Right, come on. That's okay. Yeah. just cannot concentrate at the minute. I don't know what's going on. Right, let's see if we can catch Luke. I think we might be able to catch Luke by the end, so... I've also got to be a little bit careful because I have already punted him off once. So I want to keep it nice and clean this time. Again, the punt was just because I completely lost my braking reference going to Druid, so... You know... And also, I've got my bloody brake balance again. So this is the problem with fixed setups. They have their own brake bias, and then you have to always remember to reset it. You know, it's just... At least with the fixed setup, it comes with brands. It's not quite this aggressive a brake balance. Right, we are catching Luke, so that's good. Last lap was a 50.3, so I'm kind of getting my head back in the game here now, which is always nice. Come on, turn in, turn in. Right. Nearly on the tail of Luca now. He's making mistakes. Where am I going to pull the move then? Where am I going to pull the move? Druids again? Alright, let's see, let's see. Very early break in. Okay. I've got to run, but so I don't really want to risk taking him off again. Oh, it's alright, I think he's... Okay. Okay, that was alright. I've got to meet up ahead. Oh no, no, stay on, stay on. Ah. I hold the inside to paddock. You can't go around the outside of paddock. Oh no, it's up the inside. Oh no! He got Mito as well. Oh. Oh. Okay. He massively outbroke himself there, didn't he? And we're banging doors again. Oh. Alright, there we go. Oh, and he's lost it. He's lost it behind. It's all in the rearview mirror. It all got really messy, didn't it? Really messy. With that Mito in there as well. He tried to dive up the inside of me and just, yeah, he was way late on the brakes. That's going to 1-1 now. I was late on the brakes and took him out. He was late on the brakes and didn't quite take it out in the same spectacular style, but you know, he did kind of cause a bit of a collision there, so all's fair. But if I hurt my braking marker, it's just not quite the same. Look at the tyres. Look at the... I've only just said, look. The right side tyres with blue. It must be because the track's colder, I guess. And this setup is not set up for that. Talk about making it difficult, man. I wonder if that was the problem with the tyre pressures are really low. Okay, that was why I couldn't turn into paddock for the first few laps then, obviously. Right, Francisco's 6 seconds ahead, so yeah, I'm not going to make up 1 second a lap on him, that's for sure. Honestly, it's a big old mistake. It's looking like third in both races, isn't it, really? Well, this one was, safe to say, a complete disaster. The first race was just, they were a little bit faster. But that's how it goes. I've got to sort my starts out. I mean, I think traction control has always been on factory before, and then you come to this race and suddenly it's changed to off. So I think that was why the start was just so horrific, because it just spun up the tyres. So I'm definitely going to have to practice that, I think. Everyone else seemed to get off the line really well. I don't know what they were doing. I mean, Francisco was right alongside me after about 100 metres, so that tells me I'm doing something wrong. Need to try and keep concentrating now. So easy just to say, there's no one behind, no one in front. Oh, I'll just switch off a bit, but I'll try and keep switched on. So after a practice session, a qualifying session, 2 races, this is the sort of time where people will make a mistake, and if they do, you have to be ready to take advantage of it. I obviously made all my mistakes at the start, which was annoying. I mean, those tyres are just cold, aren't they? Yeah, just no wonder this feels so horrible in comparison. Francisco up ahead. Well, I can still see him, to be honest. Oh man. Looking at my leaderboard. Awful, awful. It's nice having all this information up there, but when you kind of take your eye off the track to look at it, it can kind of cause problems. Right, this agony is nearly over. Nearly over. Just got the meters to overtake now. It looks like I'm catching him in a really horrible place as well. See what he does. Okay. Missed the gear out there, which didn't really help him. There you go. Okay. I'm actually catching Francisco, which is kind of strange and also a bit annoying that I couldn't have perhaps not had some of these stupid idiot mistakes, 'cause then I might have actually stood half a chance, but oh well. Yeah, I'm definitely closing on him, so super annoying. I couldn't keep my nose clean really, because I mean he might be having loads of problems from where I shunted him in the. Oh, I didn't shunt him, but from his kind of a start mishap, should we say? Oh dear. So yeah, not all races are good, and this one certainly has been kind of eventful, but not great, obviously. So. You have to live and learn, really. And my takeaways from this one is I need to get myself in a better mental state before the next one, because I was not switched on today. As much as you need the car, you also need your mind switched on as well. So I had the speed today, so it's annoying. I didn't quite have the mental acuity to do better, but Spa next weekend, so onwards and upwards, and it's one of my favourite tracks. I've driven it many times in an Alpha as well, and it's just absolutely awesome. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll do a little bit better, get lots of practice in, find out what setup we're actually going to use, and go from there. Right guys, see you at Spa.